Following 16 years of service behind the bench, La Crosse County Circuit Court Judge Todd Bjerke is preparing to retire. And while he knows that change in his life offers other opportunity, it's not an easy transition. Judge Bjerke, by the way, is a bit of an expert on the subject of change because as a judge and an assistant district attorney before that, it's something he's worked to achieve with others. Those he prosecuted as an ADA as long as it was an appropriate approach, and as a judge, those who appeared before him.
Trying to be a problem solver.
An approach focused on the people Judge Todd Bjerke sees every day. People who deal with a variety of challenges that often require a varied approach to help them change behavior.
I had a DA the other day that said that he is always intrigued by me coming up with some sort of solutions that are not really expected.
Because Bjerke wants the approach to not only serve the community well, but the person who's struggling.
One thing that has really struck me with Todd has been the passion that he's always shown for people who are struggling with substance abuse and mental illness, even as a prosecutor.
Since 2000, Bjerke has included drug court as an option for people who deal with substance abuse, providing treatment for non-violent offenders rather than a sentence. He shared a story of a meth addict who was in and out of prison for years, scared of the system, scared of law enforcement, scared of everything, until he changed.
And I referred him to drug court, and he's been sober ever since. And we didn't think meth people could even be successful in that program. But you can be successful with anybody if you work with them right and you address their needs.
The mental health component is another challenge, so Bjerke is involved with the local National Alliance on Mental Illness to help people who deal with that affliction.
You know, it's a shame the way our overall system works with people suffering from mental illness, rather than trying to correct it, to keep just bringing them through the system, hoping that'll change them down the road. Some people do, but not that many.
Now Bjerke is preparing for a change of his own, moving from a job he loves to something a bit more uncertain. Before he leaves the bench, he hopes people who appeared before him will remember he listened.
It's not just a criminal side. I mean, we got people coming in for divorces. We got people coming in for other types of litigation, and everybody has a reason to be here, and everyone should be able to go out with some sort of result that's going to be of some benefit to them to make a good change from what brought them here.
When Scott Horn was the district attorney, he hired Bjerke as an ADA in 1989. Voters elected both of them to the bench in 2007. Judge Bjerke's retirement is effective July 31st.